Click on OK to log into the device.
Please input password.
Enter default password, which is 8 times 8. Click OK and then select right. Now we are going to add a new user. So click on first option called add user. Here, if you have a card, you can swipe, which will automatically capture details of the card number. Since I don't have a card, I'm going to enter the card details manually. I'm just entering the card number randomly as 112233, and the user ID is the first user I'm going to create, so I'm giving as 1 and then OK. It is asking to record your fingerprint. I'm going to record a fingerprint with my index finger for this user number 1.
Please press fingerprint.
You have to do it 3 times.
Again.
Second time.
Please press fingerprint collection again.
And third time.
Successfully added.
Successfully added. The user has been added and enrolled with the card number 112233 with my index finger as biometric. Okay, now we are going to add this device to the software, the HUA software called Smart PSS. Let's see how we can do that. First of all, download the HUA's toolbox software, in which you have multiple small softwares are there. Then you go to choose Smart PSS, click on open. Now the Smart PSS software has been opened. Click on auto search. You will see a device over here with the new window. The device has been automatically selected. You have to click checkbox and click on option add. After that, you can click on OK to access device. After that, it will ask you for the username and password. The username is Edwin and the password is the password which you have given at the time of initializing the device. At the time of initialization, I have chosen admin123. You might have chosen another password. Try to enter the password which you have given at the time of initialization of the device. Okay, and then select OK. After that, you will notice the device has successfully added in Smart PSS and it is showing as online. After that, close the device tab and go to access. Select on access. This will open. The first option is called console. In the console, you will see a default group and the IP address of the device. Under this, you can see the door. Then the door will have two options, open door or close door. Click on open door. You will see down the door is unlocked and again get locked after 2 seconds. The 2 seconds is the default time. So let's see now in the users. Currently there are no users. Our main intention here is to download the users from the device. To do that, you need to go to console again, select the IP address of the device, right click on it. You will see an option called download user from device. Click on this. You will have a window showing the users from the device. Click on the users which you want to download. In this case, there is only one user. I'm just going to select this, and then there will be an option called extract to user, so which I'm going to click. After that, it will ask you OK. Then you will see here extract card successfully. After this, now you can notice this user has been successfully downloaded from the device to the default department in the Smart PSS software. This is the first option to download the users from the device. Now let's see. We will create one user in the software itself. In order to create an user, we have to go here, manually add, and then automatically the user ID has been taken as a 2. We'll give the name as test. Department, let it be default. Card number I'm giving as 445566, and then fingerprint. In this fingerprint, we can enroll the fingerprint either from the USB enrollment device which is connected, or else the same access control reader if it is nearby to you. My device is currently here as a testing, so I'm going to choose access control reader and then choosing the same IP address, door, and then reader 1, and then I'm going to, we have to go and say collect. Once I click on collect, my device will start blinking the light and trying to collect the fingerprints. Let's see.
Please
Collect.
press fingerprint collection.
So I am putting my middle
Please
finger
press
over here.
fingerprint
One
collection
time.
again.
2 times.
Please press fingerprint collection again. Registration
3 times.
Successfully collect fingerprint.
See, it will successfully collect my fingerprint, and then click on finish. This fingerprint what I have entered here, create the user ID, will not work in my device currently. We will test this. I'll tell you the reason why. Let's see. First I am selecting the index finger, which is my user ID number 1.
successfully unlocked.
This is working. The second one, manually what you have created from the software, user number 2.
Fingerprint error.
It says fingerprint error. The reason is because in the software when you are creating an user ID, we have to go to one more additional step, which is called access level, which is coming the third option. Right click on it, you will see access level. Click on access level, and then you have to click on add. Then click on add, you will see one more window with add door group. You can rename it, it's your choice. After that, select the main tree till the door one on the device, click OK. After that, now in the door list, we have created the access level, we have created the door, but there is no persons in it. This is 0, it's showing. We need to get permission. We need to go to operation, click on plus symbol user. In this, go down, there is a drop down list, click on it, default department. Here there is 2 users, user number 1 and 2. Now user number 1 is already having access, but still we'll select both of them and then click on OK. So these 2 users, now you will see time on person list, there are 2 users with the door, and then access level has been created successfully. Now we will go back to verify that user number 2, which I have created manually in this device, will work on my device or not. Let's see. Now I am going to test user number 2 with my index middle finger.
Successfully
It
unlocked.
says success. So in your case, if after adding the fingerprint, after adding the access level also, if it is not working, you have to manually do one last thing. Go to console, select on this device, right click on it, you go just click on say sync data to device. Then what happens, the data, it will ask you, do you want to sync? Just click on OK. It takes a couple of minutes to syncing the data to your device. As you know, always you have notification successfully sync data, and then you re-verify.
Successfully unlocked.
This you need to do only when you are in the network. Now currently my device is directly connected to my laptop, so we don't need to sync, automatically it works. But if you are in a network, sometimes maybe it is disconnected, so we have to sync the data. Thank you. I hope you understand how to download the users from the device and how to sync the data from the software to the device. Thanks.